What's going on, Hustle Nation? It's Johnny here. Today we're going to be talking about a very important topic, okay? When you should start investing, all right? So the best time to start investing is a long time ago, but the second best time is right now, right? So no matter how old you are, I would suggest to start investing if your job offers you a 401k. They might actually offer a match, which means that, for example, a lot of companies give you a match. Say you put in amount of money, they'll match you 100%, 50%, up to 3%. I mean, whatever it is, right? Look into your company, ask your HR guy, hey, do we have a 401k? Do we have a match for the 401k? Whatever that match is, it means free money. So put as much money as you can. I would suggest at least 10% if you can, right? And if you're just getting started working, right? I would suggest you watch this video on what you should do when you first start working with your money, okay? And I'll leave a link up here or in the description below, whatever. But for this video, if you haven't started saving, if you haven't started investing, probably the best time is now. So what I would suggest, 401k, like I said, and if they don't offer a 401k, you're not out of luck, because what you can get for yourself is a Roth IRA, all right? So a Roth IRA is a individual retirement account. You can get that very easily. I'll leave a link in the description below for Robinhood. Robinhood matches you 1%. So if you put in $100, they'll give you $1. Put in $1,000, $10. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's still free money, right? And you know, the money grows, since you put it in after taxes, the money grows tax-free. And when you're 59 and a half or whatever the age is, and you get it out on a Roth IRA, it's tax-free, so you don't have to pay any taxes on it. How awesome is that? And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what my thoughts are. Do your own research, okay? Don't believe anybody on the internet, right? But anyways, so 401k, Roth IRA. The other account that you might want to consider is just a plain old brokerage account, right? You can get that at Robinhood, Fidelity. I have a Robinhood and a Fidelity, right? So the difference between the retirement accounts like the 401k and the Roth IRA is you can't get your money out until you're older, right? But if you're running into an emergency or you need money now, whatever, a regular brokerage account, you would be able to take money in, put money out without any penalties, without any fees, without anything, right? It's up to you, but it's not tax advantage, which means that if you get dividends, you're taxed on it. If you make, if you buy a stock that goes up and you sell, you get taxed on it. So the advantage of the retirement accounts, 401k, especially 401k, your money goes before taxes, which is awesome, right? So it doesn't count toward your income, which is great. But you want to get, I would suggest that you get the 401k, Roth IRA, and you can have both 401k and a Roth IRA. Just look and see what the minimum requirements are. If you make too much money, obviously you can't do the Roth IRA, but it's a pretty sizable ceiling there. So most of us, including me, I have a Roth IRA, I have a 401k, both of those, and a brokerage account. So I would suggest getting that. You can start with as little, with a regular brokerage account, with the Roth IRA from Fidelity, with the Roth IRA from Robinhood, and I'll leave a link in the description below for Robinhood. And if you sign up, you get some free stocks or whatever, but I would definitely suggest that you go that route if you're going for the Roth IRA. If you're going for the traditional brokerage account, absolutely, I would go Robinhood. Very simple platform. And if you haven't seen my video on the Robinhood platform, I'll leave that video up here and in the description below. Very, very simple platform. Everyone gives hate to Robinhood, but I like it, okay? So it's very simple, very easy. Also, Fidelity, is a very good platform. But if you want to get started, I would suggest Robinhood. If you haven't done any investing in your life before, very simple to set up. And if you're familiar with Fidelity, if you have a Fidelity account already, then that is the way you go. But you can do this with any brokerage, right? You can have a regular brokerage account at any brokerage. It doesn't really matter. The advantage of Robinhood and Fidelity is that you can do fractional shares, which means that you can start, like I said before, with as little as $1, right? If you want to buy Microsoft, Amazon, whatever, right? You can put in as little as $1. But the main point is get started quickly, get started now, put at least 10% of your money into these retirement accounts, and you will see the benefits as you get older. It's very nice to look at your account to see that it's growing as you get older, and you feel good having that nest egg and being able to retire comfortably. If you got any questions, leave comments below. What is your favorite retirement account? What is your favorite brokerage account? Leave that in comment. Let's start a conversation going. Like this video if you like money matters. If you like talking about money, finances, that kind of thing. Tell me what you want me to talk about, and we will put that on the list, and then we will talk about it as well. Subscribe to the channel if you like financial discussions like this, and and give me a like for that YouTube algorithm. And as always, I wish you much success in your finances and in life. Peace out.